Are you my lunch date?
What's my lunch? What?
Hey everybody! Whew. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. It has been a very hectic morning. We actually had to run. Yes, Paisley has a new Peppa. Hold on, honey. We'll show them when we get home. They can't see right there, okay? We had to run to Target really quick because Grant had a pediatrician's appointment and he got prescribed hydrocortisone cream to start putting on his rash. He has a horrible rash. I really haven't showed you guys because I just feel so bad for him. He has a really bad rash on his head and he just keeps scratching at it. So if you've noticed any scratches on his head, that is why. So they did prescribe him some hydrocortisone cream to start putting on his head to make the rash go away. I see a snowflake on my eye. So that is what's going on, and I just got a chestnut praline latte. It's okay, I kind of like the caramel brulee latte better though. But anyway, we're gonna get ready to go. We're headed out now. We're going back home. I went to Target to grab just a couple things. He needs a special soap now to use and all that. So hypoallergenic, no scented. It's like the Eucerin baby wash. So yeah, that's what's been going on. It's starting to snow, so I want to get home because I don't know if it's supposed to get worse and I don't really want to be stuck in the snow. So all right, let's go home. Tell the camera, where are we going?
Snowman!
We're gonna go build a snowman?
I gotta go and hot.
Yes.
And cups.
All right, let's go.
Granddad.
Okay, let's go. All right, P, let's go out back. Come here. Go out back. Come on. Oh boy. I had to wear Papa's old snow pants because Mommy can't find hers. It's actually pretty nice out. It's pretty nice out, right? Not too cold. Wanna go back out here and build a snowman? Okay, yes please. We're having a fun little day, aren't we? Come on. Got it? Wanna hold my hand?
What's up with that?
Where?
What's up with
Do
that?
you want to build a snowman by our little playhouse?
Yeah.
Yeah? And the swing set? Careful, I don't want you to slip and fall.
No.
Is there snow on the slide? Oh boy.
Pick it up and
Want me to build a snowman? Good job. What about his other arm here? Okay, put it in there. Get it in there a little more. Let's go find some eyeballs for him. What are you doing?
Pick up this.
We're in our court. You want the camera to look through there? All right, let's see.
No, you try your ear like this.
Oh, I try it with my ears. You mean my eyes?
Yes, your eyes.
Okay, let's try it. Ready? Okay. Oh, wow. Yep, I see it. Yep.
Now, why do you take a flag?
Oh. No, don't take the flag down. Keep it. I'll go after you. Go ahead. Woohoo! I'm gonna see you on my hand so we don't lose you. I don't know if this is a great idea. You ready? 1? Count for me. Oh boy! Ah! Oh! Ouch! That was bad. I can't say that's the best looking snowman I've ever done, but he's all right. He's not too bad, right? Give him a snow nose there. Oh, are you gonna make him come to life? All right, we are going to head inside. It's just starting to snow, so I don't really want my camera out here, but we're gonna go inside and make some hot cocoa. Did you have fun?
Yes, I want much of that.
Okay.
I know.
We gotta go take it off inside. Okay, let's go. Woo, I'm falling.
Pig.
She has requested to watch Elsa Frozen after being in the snow, huh? And building a snowman. Paisley, ready?
What?
Did we build a snowman?
What?
Oh, okay. What?
Peppa.
Peppa.
What?
Is that your new Peppa? That's from Target. Oh,
Kiss it.
kiss it. Kiss on the screen. Mm. I don't know if it's just because I'm a mom of 3 now and I'm exhausted and I just don't feel like cooking. And I honestly think it's because of this gas stove. Call me lazy, but I'm so sick of cooking on this gas stove. It is so hard to clean. I miss my electric stove so badly. If you guys have ever had one and you go from electric to gas, it sucks. I'm not a fan, and I cannot wait to change my oven. But this is what's for dinner tonight. I'm being extremely lazy. We're having a pepperoni DiGiorno rising crust, and this is new. I've never seen this. The DiGiorno stuffed crust, and Weston loves stuffed crust pizza. So we got a cheese and pepperoni pizza. That's what is for dinner. I'm not really into the whole cooking right now. So this is what we're doing. It's not delivery, it's DiGiorno.
You're on.
Okay, so we were asked a few questions. We were gonna do a Q&A, but instead of doing like an actual sit-down video, I was just gonna share a few of the questions that we were asked, and I don't know how to, like, I have their names here. They're just from Instagram. I don't really know who they are. They're just people that follow us. So I was going to share the questions with Ryan and you, and we will see what his answers are, or our answers are. So the first one is number of siblings that you each have. And I technically have 4, but like one was adopted, but we don't really talk to him anymore.
So heavy.
One was adopted and we don't really associate with him very much anymore. He kind of like moved away and did his own thing, so. But yeah, technically I have 4, but I only ever really talked to 3 of them. So I have 3 brothers and 1 sister.
I have 2 sisters for this guy.
That are like much older than him.
Yeah, we're a bit spread out in age.
Yeah. Alright, so the next question is, what are your hopes and dreams for each other? From Graceful Beauty.
Hopes and dreams?
For each other.
For each other?
You want to go first?
I hope that your dream of becoming a teacher comes true. You're able to finish school and chase after that dream that you've been working towards.
I hope that, I know you want me to say like your business works out, but I hope that we as a family can figure out what's best for our family, and I don't know, never have to struggle with money. That would be nice, and make a good life for our kids. Hope that you're able to support our children's dreams, maybe going to college one day or whatever.
What do you want to do? Just snuggle and get milk drunk. Is that the life?
Yeah. From Tay-Tay, and how did you guys first meet? Do you want the real story or like the edited version?
We'll do the edited. We met at a Christmas party.
an ugly sweater party, but the next day you messaged me and said you wanted to go on a date.
Yep.
We were partners in a card game, so that's how we got to talking. So, and it was at my cousin's ugly sweater party. Your friend.
We got paired up, and look where we are.
Yep. This is still part of that question. Who knows each other best? What's my favorite color?
Blue.
Yes. What's your favorite color? Red.
Oh. You know all. You are all knowing.
Next question, last question. For all the moms, how do you stay sane? Wine. I'm just kidding. No, but for real. You have to make time for yourself, whether that be drink a glass of wine and like take a bath at night. So once they go to bed, you have to like stay up for at least an hour after they go to bed, right? And just kind of like scroll through your phone or just
get the kids to bed and then do your own thing for a bit.
That's why our kids are in bed at 7:30, other than this party animal. It's 9 o'clock and he's partying. But yeah, our kids are usually in bed about 7:30, even on the weekends. And that's when we, you know, kind of like make time for ourselves, whether it's doing something together, like watching a movie or sitting on our phones.
Yep.
Just kind of like unwind.
And relax and settle.
You also have to have like your own hobbies too. Like he likes to go hunting and I like to do YouTube. Like that's what I like to do, is edit videos and make videos. So you have to find something that you like to do other than just being a parent.
Right.
But we're going to end this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And we will see you tomorrow.
Good night.